Hello, everybody. And yes, you are seeing correctly. I am trying my quarterly check for the first time. And I am a nervous wreck. I don't know why, but just trying this on my own, not using tissue paper or the napkins or whatever, I thought I would try it. And to my surprise, it was turning out okay. Now, it's not the best, but, there's always, you have to start somewhere, right? So I am going to just let you watch the process, and then I will be back at the very end when I get finished with this paper mache pumpkin from Hobby Lobby. And this is my take on a Mackenzie child pumpkin for my fall decor. Enjoy. Okay, so what I did is I went ahead and started painting some more, and I used this dauber from Dollar Tree, and you guys, these daubers are so good. And this is how I did the white polka dots on the black. And that way you can keep getting the same size. Works really, really well. I really, if you do any kind of painting and want to use, make polka dots or whatever, get these from the Dollar Tree. So as you can see, I'm using just black and white because it is Mackenzie Child, using just different shapes along with the black and white. Okay, so here we are. I'm getting ready now to put some sealer on it. And this is triple thick. Wonderful sealer. I love the way it looks. It makes it look very shiny because I wanted to try to get the look of glass or ceramic if I could. This was $6.99 at Hobby Lobby with a 40% off coupon. It's doable. If you're a crafter, if you seal things, whatever the case is. Triple thick, I absolutely love. So I wanted to let you know about that. Now let's get back on to finishing this Mackenzie Child inspired pumpkin up.